Mind the boat, mind the boat. A boat. Every man for himself. Go on. Morning guys, welcome to day 2 here in Ljubljana. And today's the day we're off to Lake Bled. Just paid for an 8-hour tour, so we're going to meet at the Dragon Bridge. And yeah, I'll show you the sights of Lake Bled and 2 other locations as well, so let's go. Isn't it gorgeous? Not a bad little commute to the old Dragon Bridge. Right, so here we are in Savica, which is the waterfalls. We're just at the bottom, about to walk all the way up. Look at this, look how beautiful it is. As you can see, there's no one here at all, just me and 2 random Mexicans.
Running from Donald Trump.
Uh-huh.
My name is Alan.
Alan.
I'm from Mexico.
Yeah.
We are enjoying the amazing view.
Yeah.
My name is Armando from Mexico, Monterrey, of course.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so that's typical Mexican names, Alan and Armandito and Alancito, yeah?
Alancito.
So the guide, the driver, has let us on our own. He's waiting in the car park and we're just going to walk up the path. He's given us an hour and a half to meet back down at the car park. So waterfall first, we need to walk up. Apparently it's 500 and something steps to get to the top. But look at it, look how beautiful this place is. River flowing down there I mean. Look at these 2 Mexican tourists with their car. Yeah. The air feels so fresh as well, which is a nice change from when I lived in UB, of course. Alright, so we're just at this cabin where you got to pay your entrance fee, which is €4 for Savica Waterfall. And apparently you can pay cash or you can pay card. I paid via Mexican. Thanks. I'll buy you a beer in the restaurant. So we've got a little souvenir shop here as well. Shall we take a quick peek? Ice cream here, fridge magnets. So as you can see, you can get a Slap Savica t-shirt as well. What else we got here? Giant pencils. Haven't even started the route yet, but it's already gorgeous. I mean, look at this. Imagine how clean that water is. And here we've got the beginning of the 500 and something steps. It's quite gentle actually. Not as bad as it sounds. Okay, little information board here. According to the number of visitors, the Savica waterfall is one of the most popular Slovenian sites. The greatest Slovenian poet, Franz Prešeren, greatly contributed to its recognition with his poem Baptism at Savica. Okay, made it to the top, up these 500 and something steps. Nice and warm now. Let's check out the view. Two waterfalls down there, and it goes further down there as well. Was it worth the walk? What do you think? Was it worth the walk?
It was worth it, of course.
What do you think?
Nobody tell us.
It's amazing.
Nobody tell us that it's going to be very high.
Yeah, it's a long walk, but we didn't quite get the little rainbow, so I might ask for a little refund there. But yeah, it's beautiful, nice and cool, fresh. Oh, Mexican immigrant, illegal immigrant, look at that. See, this is why Trump doesn't like these people, you see.
They're crossing the border.
He's going to encounter another wall. Feels at home. Viva Mexico, cabrones!
Now he's going to jump the fence.
He's trying to get to freedom. My God. They just can't resist jumping over barriers. Estos mexicanos. Okay, a few facts here. It says Archduke John of Austria visited Savica Waterfall on 8th of July 1807, and a memorial plaque was placed in memory of this visit in the same year. The plaque was ordered by Baron Ziga Zois and made by the stonemason Leonard Kelb. I guess this is the plaque. No, to hell with it. Breaking the law. They're a bad influence, these Mexicans. 2 minutes with Mexicans and I turn into a illegal migrant. Let's see. Okay, a bit closer now. Here he is, looking all pleased with himself. Been in and out of the border. One Mexican. Two Mexicans.
Donald Trump just saw us.
Yeah, I'm going to post this to Trump. Oh, look. What lake was that again? Was that Lake Bled? Or,
Yeah, no,
no, the other one, Lake,
Yeah,
whatever
the
it
other
was.
one.
Guess we'll find out soon. So yeah, that was Savica, whatever the hell you say. Waterfall, Savica Waterfall. I prefer the word in Slovenian, slap. Gorgeous, gorgeous day though. Look at this. Just the right temperature as well, perfect temperature.
See.
Okay guys, here we are at the second port of call on today's trip, Lake BOHINJ. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's absolutely incredible. From every angle, I mean, look at this. Look at this view. And this is just one of many. Just a couple of Mexicans again spoiling my view, but spoiling the frame. Chinga tu madre! Pinche Mexicanos! So the great special thing about this lake, as opposed to Lake Bled, apparently is the reflections, which we'll see from different angles, I guess. Just need to be a bit higher up, but it is absolutely gorgeous. And the water is clear as well. Don't really want to go swimming though, looks a bit cold. Salta, cabrones! Alright, let me get back on this one. Not a good idea. They just nearly broke the jetty, looks like. Wank, 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 wank. Isn't this just stunning? Look at that. You definitely got to come here if you come to Slovenia, Ljubljana especially. Pretty close. Okay, let's check out this statue of a goat, is it? Mountain goat. I get carried away when the sunset fades into your kiss. Look at these two, their best honeymoon ever. They'll never forget this.
You want to join us?
Two's company, three's a crowd. I don't want to be the filling in your burrito. Taco, taco. Okay, let's head up to that church straight ahead on the bridge. That church apparently is about 700 years old. Isn't this stunning? Church against those clouds, and then we have lake. Lovely clean water.
Looking back at a picture frame. No idea
Triglavski Narodny Park.
gonna change with every line that writes itself on our skin.
It's just like stunning shot after stunning shot, isn't
Count
it?
each one like it's a gift. When the story
Amazing sense of peace and calm in this place.
is running
Sitting on this bench here, looking at this.
Wow. It's the smallest moments that I read.
As you may be able to tell, I'm pretty glad I came here.
Just the little
Amazing.
things are little after all. When my time's finally come to it.
Okay, so straight up ahead is the, I think it's called the Four Heroic Guys. And these, I think, were 17th century or in the 1700s, the first people to climb the highest mountain in Slovenia. So, local heroes. Let's take a look. So here's some more specific information about these four guys. So the mountain is called Triglav, 2,864 meters high, the highest mountain in Slovenia, the pride and symbol of the nation. Okay, the inhabitants of BOHINJ have always been very closely connected with the mountains. It is therefore little wonder that the natives of BOHINJ were the first to stand on top of Triglav on 26th of August 1778. Although by no means an easy climb, Triglav is the most visited 2000er in Slovenia. And there they are, in action. Alright, it's now 1 o'clock, which means lunchtime. We're off to sample some local cuisine. I can't wait. Okay, we're in the restaurant for lunch. Got my first beer. It's a local beer. It's called Man of the... What was it called? Man of the River?
Man of the Lake.
Man of the Lake. So, cheers. Yeah, too late. You just...
Cheers. Salud.
Try and think how to say it in Slovenian. No chance. Okay, so the soup's arrived. It's a mushroom soup. What else is in the soup?
Mushroom stew, 4 different types.
Mushroom stew,
These are
sorry.
forest mushrooms. Locals pick them, dry them, and make this perfect stew. So something incredible. Yeah.
Very nice.
What you think?
And we've got bread with it as well. So,
homemade
yeah.
bread.
Right, let's see what the verdict is. Oh, it's got big lumps of mushroom there. Yeah, delicious. What's this? Is that like sour cream?
Exactly.
Yeah, so we've got like smetana there. So
Yes, smetana.
yeah,
Exactly.
very nice. Good stuff. Let's look at the size of the pieces of mushroom in this. Amazing. Look at that. Okay, the main course has arrived. What is it exactly?
It's called Mateusz. So the BOHINJ sausage. Side of beans and potatoes. So roughly 70% of beans and 30% of potatoes, and then sauerkraut, fermented cabbage with a pork cracklings on the top and some mustard on the side.
Looking forward to this as well. And by the way, this beer, really easy to drink. So got super hot spicy sauce here to mix in with the mustard to go on the sausage. Let's see how spicy it is. Yeah, bit of afterburn, but not too much. Nice. Look at this, Mexicans versus English.
I'm on my way.
Okay, dessert time. Apple strudel,
Yes. With a cottage cheese and walnuts. I think that's
cottage cheese and walnuts.
A little sauce. Un poquito de
He wants
salsa.
to put some
way.
spicy sauce on to make it Mexican.
In your part, Jonathan.
No, your part. That's fine. Jesus. Right guys, now on Lake Bled and being rowed by the worst oarsman ever. Fucking useless. he is.
Trying my best.
See, Mexicans, not great sailors.
Vamos Armando, vamos.
So we're heading to the church on the island. Hopefully we'll make it. Although he's going the wrong way now. More on that arm, left arm more, yeah? That's it. There's the path right there. See, it's like riding a bike. Have a race with them, or like the first boat to sink will win easy. Ah, such a relaxing ride on the lake. Not at all worried about sinking, capsizing, or anything like that, or crashing into that boat.
The Titanic.
What could possibly go wrong? Jesus, who's wobbling? Ah. Look at the technique. Watch and learn, guys, watch and learn. Well, I'm the only one wearing a life vest. Where are you going? Mind the boat, mind the boat. Collision course.
Collision imminent.
Abort, abort.
Jump.
Every man for himself. Look at the mountains. Look at the castle.
Okay. Okay.
Right, you need to go more on the left now because we're heading for that boat literally now. There's a boat there, look.
Oh, it looks beautiful.
Yeah, never mind that. Collision course. Right, that's it now. Straight.
Go.
Yeah. All right, we made it to the island. It only took us half an hour to row here. But the important thing is we didn't get wet. So here's the church. We're going to go up and see quickly, and then I'm going to row back.
Huh?
All right, made it up the 99 steps to the church. I think it's 99 steps anyway. Certainly felt like it. After that enormous lunch we had, it's not easy. The sun's starting to go down. Nice reflection in the water there, you can see. Statue of Mary Magdalene. So it looks amazing. Feels like we're in Lake Como or something.
All of myself.